Hey, how you doing? This is Sai from affiliate.com, and in this video I'm going to discuss some top affiliate marketing forums that you can join, where you can join affiliate marketing communities. So joining affiliate marketing forums can be useful and beneficial for your affiliate marketing business, as you can gain so much insights, tips and strategies and much more on affiliate marketing related topics. You can also share your knowledge, become part of the community of share the same interests in, i.e. affiliate marketing. You can also ask questions and get feedback from other fellow affiliates, which can in fact help your affiliate marketing business, help you grow and build your business even more. Another benefit of forums is that when you're working from home as in affiliate marketing, sometimes it can get lonely, with you and just your computer. Therefore, forums can help you get social and meet and make new like-minded friends, and who are also into affiliate marketing. There are many affiliate marketing forums online. However, there are a few that are very popular and have millions of people going through them on a regular basis. Having said that, all the nice things about affiliate forums, there are some downsides too, as with everything in life. For example, you may find that some members of the forums can be a bit negative and critical towards some of your postings and in general, threads, and some can also use foul language as well, I've found. I guess that's just part of life, as you can't please everyone, and there are going to be some downsides and negatives, to everything, I suppose. If you can get around that, that's all good. It's good to definitely join affiliate marketing forums. So with the affiliate marketing forums, they come in two modes, subscription models, paid and free versions. At the end of the day, you get the value of what you pay for, or I guess you don't pay for, as in the free forums. So it's your choice if you want to join the free forums or the paid forums, where you're likely to get the premium level value, for the paid versions. With that said, in no particular order, let's look at some of the top affiliate marketing forums you can join today. Some are free and some are paid. Some are free and some are free to start with, but also have a paid option. Okay, so the first one, I said in no particular order, so I'm just going to go through the first one. Warrior Forum is a very popular forum that covers many topics of, to do with internet marketing, including affiliate marketing, traffic generation, SEO, and much more. As whole, tons of people posting and visiting on a daily basis, so therefore it's likely to have up-to-date info on marketing related topics, and it's a very active, engaged community. It's free to join, but they also have a paid version called the War Room, which I guess is short for Warrior War Room, which has some extra content and features such as courses, interviews with superstar marketers. At time of writing, the cost for the War Room access is $97, which I think it's quite a good deal, considering some of the value that you're going to get, access to interviews with top marketers. All you need is one tip, and from a top marketer, one idea, one tip, and you can be making your money back and more. So the next one we're going to look at is Stack That Money, also referred to as STM. It's a premium level forum that specializes in affiliate marketing topics and also CPA marketing aspects. Although you can join if you're a beginner affiliate, it's advertised as for experienced affiliate marketers. This can be a good thing, for you if you're a beginner. You get to learn from more advanced marketers and learn their top tips and strategies. CPA marketing, I mentioned. If you are not sure what CPA is basically just cost per action marketing. It's a form of affiliate marketing where you get paid a commission per action. For example, you can send traffic to a CPA offer with a landing page of a free offer, and if someone signs up for the free offer, you get paid commission without them even buying anything. So you get paid for for them signing up to a free offer. So this is CPA marketing, and STM does have a lot of posts and content related to CPA marketing. So if you're into that, that's STM is for you. STM started in 2011, as have become very popular over the years, to the point that they even host their own events and free meetups locally, where affiliates can link up and visit the events for up-to-date knowledge of the affiliate marketing industry. And the cost to join STM is $99 per month at the time writing. You may think It may be a bit too much, but you have to think about the value that you're getting, in exchange for your money. So you're literally getting inside knowledge from experienced affiliate marketing who've been in the trenches and figured out what's working, what's not. And they're sharing this information, high level information. This information alone can save you money and of course make you money. So $99 per month may be okay, but having said that, if you're not ready for STM, that's cool. Perhaps when you're making a decent income in affiliate marketing, you can afford it, then you can maybe look into it. But for now, you can definitely stick to the free forums out there, which are still great value for your affiliate marketing learning and development. STM has been voted #1 affiliate marketing forum and recommended by top affiliate networks, which I suppose adds more value, to STM, as it proves that it's definitely a premium level marketing forum. So with that, you get what you pay for, I suppose. So the next one in the list is Affiliorama Forum. Affiliorama Forum is part of the Affiliorama portal, a free and training portal, educational portal, where you can learn all about how to build an affiliate marketing business. Their forum is a section of their portal where the focus is on providing a discussion forum for affiliate marketing topics. They have quite a large number of views on their forum. As you get to see live stats of their members, on the front page of the forum, I think. So at the time of writing, it was over 800,000 members and over 122,000 articles. I'm guessing articles are referred to as posts that people have posted. The forum covers a wide variety of topics related to affiliate marketing, including market research, marketing ideas, SEO, PPC tips, and much more. Affiliorama Forum is free to view, so you don't have to log in or register to view the content and discussions in the forum, which is a nice thing. You can just browse through the various threads and get a feel of the type of discussion being posted, and you can learn from that. You can of course sign up and start posting yourself and sharing your information and participating engaging in the community of Affiliorama portal. So that's another great forum. It's free as well. Affiliate Fix is the next one. It's an active forum, very active forum that focuses on affiliate marketing and is one of the top affiliate marketing forums online. It's free to join and it's very much beginners friendly, as it contains many training and tutorials on getting started with affiliate marketing. In addition to the forum features, it also has some free guides and case studies within the forum on different aspects of affiliate marketing, which you can learn on. Affiliate Fix covers topics on PPC, mobile marketing, traffic generation, SEO, and much more, related to affiliate marketing. One of the big benefits that it is totally free to join and provides clean and user-friendly interface and very pleasing interface. The next one is Wikidfire. Wikidfire is very established and long-running forum. It's been years since this Wikidfire has started, and it's been in online, and it specializes in affiliate marketing, into marketing topics. You can find some useful content on affiliate marketing in Wikidfire. The only thing, there are posts with people using foul language, I've noticed, which may not be suitable for some people if you don't like that sort of language. Having said that, the cool thing about Wikidfire is it's also free to join, and it's a great community. And as I said, it's an established forum and has some great content on marketing topics. So I think that's it for now. I've covered some of the top marketing forums online that focus on affiliate marketing and specialize in affiliate marketing. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe, and